What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on Gerald's 8th gen. We are installing the fogs, which he did. His car didn't come with fogs, I don't know why, but and he had the HFP kit done, so now he wants to put on the fogs and whatnot. So stay tuned, we're gonna show you what we're gonna do, and hope you enjoy it. See you guys later.
Let me know when you are. So I used to have existing fog lights with the old bumper that I had that I got into an accident with. Right now all these extra wires here that I'm removing, these are the wires from the old setup, which is big. No, we won't be needing these no more since we're running new wires. Time for the install. See, this is why I needed a fucking Dremel.
You don't have it?
No, bro.
My knife?
Yeah. I think that's the only way to do it at the moment. Alright, so basically, when you buy an aftermarket bumper, the fog light covers are always, the fog light housing are always covered. So now what I have to do, since I don't have the proper tools working at my parents' house, don't do this at home, is basically cut this layout out with the knife. This may take a while, so here comes a time lapse.
It's gonna take an hour. Put your hand. Yeah.
I don't care about those little gaps, bro, honestly. I just want to have fog lights and see the road better. And then from there, I won't have to break another oil pan ever again.
Are they yellow?
No, LEDs. Bright lights.
Music.
Yeah. Cue music. Oh man, that's what I can't speak in front of cameras. I can talk all day when there's no camera, but when the camera's facing me, bro, fuck me. I become camera shy.
Yo, whenever
That's
That kinda
it.
woke me up.
Huh?
That kind of woke me up.
Wait till you sit down.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Pretty much that's it, man. You know, typical Sunday for Unified, you know, family thing. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Very important. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys very soon. Till the next time. Peace.